Intertools is the first value comparison site. In today's video, we have the Sealy cordless jigsaw. Links in the description below. Let's get into today's video. Powerful, lightweight cordless jigsaw, suitable for cutting wood, board, plastic and steel. Comfortable composite housing with soft grip for added comfort. Tool-free blade chain system, variable speed control trigger switch 0 to 2400 SPM. Features: dust blow and extraction function and parallel guide. Built-in LED work light, 4 Penryn settings and 2-stage operation switch for added safety. Supplied with hex key and wood cutting blade. Requires compatible 20-volt batteries and main charger sold separately. The specifications include the following. The model number is CP20VJS. The maximum cutting for wood is 80mm. The maximum cutting for plastic is 12mm. The maximum cutting for steel is 10mm. And finally, the maximum cutting for metal pipe is 5 to 25mm. The net weight is 2 kg. It has a no load speed of 0 to 2400 SPM. The noise power pressure is 90 or 79 decibels. The stroke length is 25mm and has a vibration uncertainty of 11.18 or 1.5 meters per second squared. Founded in 1978, Sealy is known internationally as a leading brand of professional tools and workshop equipment. The Sealy range of tools and equipment is designed very much with the professional user in mind. Sealy's core brand includes Siegen, Sealy and Premier, representing good, better and best respectively. Whatever level you choose, quality assurance is always guaranteed. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe for more products on Intertools.